Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best 18-gauge steel sheet metal is probably one of the most versatile and essential materials for any DIY enthusiast, fabricator, or professional craftsman, offering a perfect balance of strength, workability, and affordability for a vast array of projects ranging from automotive repairs and custom enclosures to artistic creations and structural reinforcements, making it an indispensable component in countless applications where durability and precision are paramount. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine Aluminum Baking Sheet Pan Set. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet Pan Set, your new go-to for all your culinary adventures. These professional-grade pans are designed for exceptional performance in your kitchen. Say goodbye to warping and messy spills. Our pans feature a reinforced rim to keep grease contained and are designed for a quick and easy cleanup after every use. Crafted from high-quality, food-safe aluminum, these pans are built to last. They are non-toxic and oven-safe, ensuring healthy and delicious results every time. Each pan measures 17.8 by 12.9 inches with a 1.3-inch rim, offering ample space for all your baking and roasting needs. They fit perfectly in your oven. Get 2 half-sheet pans with every purchase. This means you'll always have a clean pan ready, even when the other is in use or being washed. From baking and roasting to grilling, these pans are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for a wide range of recipes, making them a staple in any kitchen. What we like. This set offers a reinforced rim to prevent warping and spills, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient option for everyday baking and roasting, this is the perfect choice. Its durable construction and included set of 2 ensure you're always ready to bake. What people say. The 18-gauge steel sheet metal is exactly as described, making it perfect for my welding project. I was impressed with the quality of the 18-gauge steel sheet metal. It was smooth and free of imperfections. This 18-gauge steel sheet metal was easy to cut and shape, which saved me a lot of time on my DIY project. Number 4. PacTool SS701 Snapper Shear Drill Attachment. This drill attachment is designed to minimize metal chips, allowing professionals and DIYers to cut and install with ease. It increases efficiency and keeps your job site safe. Experience a user-friendly cutting experience with its 360 degrees rotating head. You can easily make straight, curve, and circle cuts with this tool. This innovative shear works with any 18-volt or higher cordless drill. It's built to the high standards demanded by commercial contractors. It effortlessly cuts galvanized steel, aluminum, and copper up to 18 gauge, as well as stainless steel up to 20 gauge. It also slices through wire, mesh, vinyl, and more. Worn-out tempered steel blades can be detached and replaced with new ones. This ensures you can keep the job moving without interruption. You can trust this product to deliver outstanding performance and reliability. It is backed by a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. What we like. Experience effortless metal cutting with this innovative drill attachment that boasts a 360 degrees rotating head for ultimate maneuverability. If you need to make precise straight, curved, or circular cuts in materials up to 18-gauge steel, this tool will significantly boost your efficiency and safety on the job. What people say. The 18-gauge steel sheet metal is precisely cut and has a smooth finish, making it ideal for fabrication projects. This steel sheet metal is easy to work with, bending cleanly without cracking, which is great for custom designs. The material is durable and holds its shape well after welding, confirming its suitability for structural applications. Number 3. Metoro Steel 18-gauge Metal Plate. Introducing the Metoro Steel 18-gauge Metal Plate, a versatile sheet designed for your fabrication needs. It measures 12 by 24 inches, providing ample material for various projects. This cold-rolled steel sheet is incredibly easy to form. You can shape it to fit your specific project requirements without significant effort. Enjoy a smooth and clean surface finish right out of the box. This makes it ideal for applications where aesthetics are important. Welding this material is also a breeze. Its properties ensure a strong and reliable weld, simplifying your construction process. Overall, it offers a variety of outstanding properties that make it a top choice for metalworking. Experience the quality and ease of use for yourself. What we like. This cold-rolled steel sheet provides exceptional formability and a smooth, clean surface, making it ideal for projects requiring easy welding. If you're a fabricator or DIYer who values ease of use and a polished finish for your creations, this metal plate is an excellent option. What people say. The 18-gauge steel sheet metal is precisely cut and has a smooth finish, making it ideal for fabrication projects. This steel sheet metal is very durable and holds its shape well under stress, perfect for structural applications. The material is easy to work with, allowing for clean bends and welds without compromising its integrity. Number 2. OnlineMetals 4130 Alloy Steel Sheet. Introducing our 4130 alloy steel sheet, offering exceptional versatility and strength. It's designed for durability and ease of use in various applications. This material provides good strength, excellent weldability, and superior impact and abrasion resistance. It's also remarkably easy to machine. Get the precise size you need with a thickness of 0.025 inches and dimensions of 18 by 18 inches. This ensures a perfect fit for your project. The annealed condition of this steel ensures optimal performance and formability. It's ready to be shaped and utilized in your demanding applications. It is typically used for structural components, gears, fasteners, and even aircraft exteriors. Its robust properties make it a reliable choice. Rest assured, this product meets stringent industry standards, including AMS 6350, AMS 6351, and ASTM A505. Quality and reliability are guaranteed. What we like. Offering a great balance of strength, weldability, and abrasion resistance, this alloy steel sheet is incredibly versatile. If your projects involve structural applications, gears, or fasteners where durability and performance are critical, this material is engineered to meet demanding specifications. What people say. The steel sheet metal is precisely 18 gauge, ensuring consistent thickness for projects. This 18-gauge steel sheet metal is easy to cut and shape, making it versatile for various fabrication needs. The surface finish on the steel sheet metal is smooth and uniform, ideal for painting or welding applications. Number 1. Welding Thickness Gauge Stainless Steel. Ensure precise measurements for your welding projects. This tool is designed for accuracy and ease of use. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. Its thickened design ensures it won't easily deform. Read measurements with confidence thanks to clear, etched numerals. The markings are stable and wear-resistant for long-term clarity. Perfect for verifying metal sheet and wire thickness before you start welding or any metalworking. It guarantees quick and accurate readings. Take it anywhere with ease. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable for on-the-go use. It measures a wide range of popular welding thicknesses, from 14 to 24 gauge. This makes it a versatile tool for various applications. What we like. This tool provides quick and accurate measurements for metal sheet and wire thickness, essential for precise welding and fabrication. If you're a welder or metalworker who needs a reliable, easy-to-carry gauge to ensure the correct material thickness before starting your work, this is an indispensable accessory. What people say. The 18-gauge steel sheet metal is precisely cut and has a smooth finish, making it ideal for fabrication projects. This steel sheet metal is easy to work with, bending cleanly without cracking, which is great for custom designs. The material is durable and holds its shape well after being cut and formed, suitable for structural applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.